Toll Road here in Tarrytown, New York. Headed from the Tarrytown station to Grand Central Station. Tarrytown is located just 25 miles up the Hudson River from Midtown Manhattan. It's outside of the hustle and bustle of the big city, but for just a $12 train ride in a half hour to an hour of your time, you could be right in the middle of Manhattan. There's an automated ticket machine here that's pretty easy to operate, where you can buy round-trip tickets. Just make sure you have your ticket or you'll have to face this bruiser. Now the views on the other side of the train would have been in the Hudson River, but I'm on this side with views of Yonkers and into the Bronx. Trip actually goes pretty quick, and there's a few odds and ends to look out the window to keep your attention. And if you're looking for what type of graffiti to put on your local train, well, there's a lot of examples to choose from here. The only stop I had on my way down was in Harlem, so the entire trip only took about 35 or 40 minutes. Unless you want to be a rookie like me, you'll call it Grand Central Terminal. Grand Central Station is actually the post office down the street. Grand Central Terminal is located on 48 acres on 42nd Street and Park Avenue in Midtown Manhattan. Completed in 1913, it welcomes millions of visitors into the city every year and is one of the busiest train depots in North America. At the south entrance, a Tiffany clock is surrounded by the transportation statue. This statue depicts three Roman gods watching over the people of New York. The ride back to Tarrytown included several more stops, but still took under an hour to get back. The sighting of the Tappan Zee Bridge lets you know the journey has almost come to a completion. Hope you enjoyed this journey to Grand Central Terminal and back, and who knows what the toll road will lead to next.